Hi there friends, welcome to MarielBeads and Beyond. Today we are going to be reviewing the June Treasury bags from the Potomacbeads, but it's going to be a little bit different. I accidentally deleted the video, so I don't have it the way it came. I'm going to show you, these are all the materials that came with this bag. I'm going to show you what I still have in these bags. So I made my video and started using the beads, and then I realized that I deleted the video. Some of the beads that came in these bags are these ones. So I made this bracelet with those beads. So you're gonna get these beads in that June Treasury bags. Also, we have these two crystals, and as you can see, I made this component because I got two. I'm not sure if I'm gonna make this into a pair of earrings or into a ring. I think it'll look very pretty on both. So these green crystals and the square crystals came in the bags. The delicas and the 15 O's, they do not come in the bags. We have these shell beads, and I was asked last time to get them out of the bags, so they are really pretty. I'm still thinking what am I gonna do with these ones, but I really like them. The other thing that I have are these glass discs, and the colors are very pretty. I got this willow color, and it gives you an idea of what colors to combine. A lot of times we not sure what colors we can combine. Well, this will be the perfect solution. I also received a pattern, and it's this pattern to make this bracelet, and with all the written instructions. So I'm going to open my box and see what we can find in here. I received these beading needles, and it's a pack of 6. These transparent smoky drop beads. We have these crystal pickup pencils. This face brown and color jade. This color is very pretty. We have Mijuki 8 O's, and these are the ear wires. Check glass discs. We have these charms, and there is 5 in the pack. Glass press beads. These are really pretty. I'm probably gonna make a pair of earrings with these ones. We have these turquoise rounds. We have these shells in a metallic color. We have these check. We have these anchor charms. And that's it for these June bags. Please don't forget to visit the Potomacbeads company, and I will be uploading soon the video on how to make this component, and then we decide if we're making a pair of earrings or if we want to make a ring. So I hope you guys like this tutorial. I hope it was easy to follow along. If you like my videos, please subscribe to the channel, leave me comments, and let me know what would you like to see, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, thank you.